Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Money in Everyday Life. So here first exercise 10.2 in this main B main, find the selling price. So when cost price and profit is given, then selling price is cost price plus profit. Okay, then cost price and loss is given, cost price minus loss. And cost price and overhead charges are given, means overhead charges, repair charges we have to add to the cost price value. It is a cost price plus overhead charges, then the total is, that is a cost price become cost price and profit. Then we have to find the selling price. So here also overhead charges we have to add with cost price. Then find the selling price. So first question, cost price is 145, profit is rupees 15. Now B mine, find selling price. Here cost price is given, cost price is rupees 145. Now we have to find the profit. So what is the formula when cost price is given, cost price and selling price is given? Profit formula is selling price minus cost price. So selling price equal, when cost price and profit is given, then formula is cost price plus profit, because selling price is greater than cost price, so we have to add cost price plus profit. Before we are going to learn this chapter, learn all formulas related to this chapter children. Selling price, when profit, when we get profit to find the selling price, and when we get loss to find the selling price or cost price in the same time, and percentage of profit and percentage of loss also. So here cost price is given rupees 145 and no other overhead charges or repairs. So we can directly write cost price is 145 plus profit is 15. So what is the amount now? 145 plus 15 is rupees now 160. So what is the selling price? 160. Now second question, cost price is rupees 244 and loss is rupees 114. To find selling price when cost price and profit is given, means we have to add CP and profit. To find selling price when cost price and loss is given, means we have to minus CP minus loss. So formula to find selling price when cost price and loss is given, means selling price equal, this is a formula, cost price minus loss. Okay. What is the cost price? Rupees 244 minus loss is 14. So totally 244 minus 14 is rupees 230. That's the answer. Now third question, cost price is rupees 415 and overhead charges is 85 and profit 21 rupees. Find selling price. So cost price is now rupees 415 plus overhead charges. Overhead charges. How much overhead charges is? 85. Now total cost price is now 415 plus 85 is 500. So this is a total amount of cost price now. Present cost price is now 500 rupees. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price formula is, selling price is equal to, when cost price and profit is given, means cost price plus profit. So to find the selling price, formula is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. This is the formula. Now cost price is not 415. Now we have to write cost price as 500 plus profit is 21. It is given in the question, profit is 21. Now total selling price is now rupees 521 rupees. 521 rupees. Now here cost price is rupees 528, overhead charges is rupees 72, loss is rupees 12. We have to find the selling price. So here overhead charges is given, so we have to add overhead charges with cost price, then we become the new cost price. So cost price equal 528 rupees plus overhead charges. How much? Rupees 12. Sorry, 72. So rupees 72. So 528 plus 72 is plus here. So 600 rupees. 600 rupees. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price equal, formula is cost price minus loss. What is the new cost price? Therefore, new cost price is 600 rupees. Okay, this is a new cost price. Selling price equal cost price, that is 600 minus loss is 12. It is given in the question. You should not write cost price as 528. If any overhead charges or repairs amount is given, means we have to add to the cost price value. Then it becomes the new cost price. So selling price is equal cost price minus loss 600. So 600 minus 12 means 588 rupees. Rupees 588. Now B main is over, find selling price. Now C main, find the cost price. So when selling price and loss or profit is given, so you have to find the cost price. Here also formula is there. When profit, the formula is different. When loss, the formula is different. So we have to learn formula first. Now find the cost price. Selling price is given. Selling price is 105 and loss is 112. So formula to find selling price when formula to find cost price when selling price and loss is given. So when selling price and loss is given, then formula is cost price equal selling price plus loss. Loss means selling price is greater, so we have to add selling price and loss. So profit means selling price is greater than cost price, so we have to subtract it. So here selling price is 105, okay, plus loss is 12. So 105 plus 12 we have to add. Answer is 105 plus 12, 117 rupees. This is the answer. Now here find the cost price. Selling price is 218 and profit is 12. Find the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. When selling price and profit is given, formula is CP is equal to cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. It means profit means selling price is greater than CP, cost price. So here we have to minus it. Selling price is almost 218 minus profit is 12. 218 minus 12. 218 minus 12 means 206 rupees. 206 rupees. CP's cost price is 206. Now here third question, selling price is rupees 176, loss is 14. To find cost price, and loss means cost price is greater, no? And loss means cost price is greater, so we have to add these two. So selling price plus loss. Okay, what is the selling price? 176 plus loss is 14 rupees. So cost price equal, CP is equal 176 plus 14 is rupees 190. Total is 190. Next, fourth question, selling price is 210 and profit is rupees 15. We have to find the cost price. Cost price formula when profit is given means selling price minus profit. It means Profit means selling price is a greater. So here this is smaller, CP is smaller than SP. So selling price is greater, SP minus profit formula. When selling price and profit is given, to find the cost price, formula is cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. You have to learn formula properly, then only you can try. And selling price is 210, that is given in the question, minus profit is 15. So 210 minus 15 is rupees 195. At the beginning of this lesson, write all formula related to this chapter, children. So answer is cost price is 195 rupees. A, B main is completed, children. Now D main, story sums. Draw a diagram wherever you are not sure. The first has been drawn for you. So here cost price is given. The amount is 625. This is a cost price. And selling price. When profit means selling price is greater than CP. When we get profit means selling price is greater than CP. So till here is 625. Okay, scale is 625 plus profit amount is 28. A school bag was bought for rupees 625 rupees and sold at a profit of rupees 28. Find the selling price of the bag. So 625 bag price, selling profit is 28. So profit means selling price will become greater. If loss means selling price will become smaller than CP. Okay, scale will become smaller than rectangle shape will become smaller than CP. So profit means selling prices are greater than CP. So here story sum. A school bag was brought for rupees 625. So purchase amount is a cost price. Purchase amount always cost price. Brought for rupees 625 means the thing purchase amount is always cost price. If any overhead charges or repair is given means we have to add that amount to the purchase amount. So then become the total cost price. So here a school bag was bought, purchased for rupees 625. So cost price of a bag. Always purchase price is cost price. So here 625. How much? 625. I am using here red pen. But you write question in black ink and answer in blue ink. Don't use red ink, children. Okay. To highlight the numbers, I am using here red pen. A school bag was bought for rupees 625. So this is the cost price and sold at a profit of rupees 28. So here selling price is not mentioned. Profit of rupees 28. So this is profit, not selling price. Sold at a profit of 28. Therefore, profit is given in the question. How much? 28. Then selling price. Selling price formula is selling price. When profit and cost price is given, then selling price formula is cost price plus profit. This is a formula you have to learn properly. So what is the cost price? 625 plus 28 is a profit. 625 plus 28 we have to add. So here total is 625 plus 28 is 653 rupees. This is the answer, 653 rupees. So we can write selling cost price is equal to, it is mentioned, and selling price is rupees 653 rupees. What is the amount? 653 rupees selling price. Now second question, a chair was bought for rupees 320. So this is a purchase amount. Purchase amount is always cost price, rupees 320, and sold at a loss of rupees 18. So here selling price is not mentioned, but loss of rupees 18 means this is a loss amount. Find the selling price of a chair. So here what information is given? Cost price of a chair. How much? 320 rupees. 320 rupees. Don't use red ink pen, children. Question in black ink, answer in only blue pen. So if any calculation you can try with pencil or pen. So cost price is of a chair is 320 and loss is given in the question, that is rupees 18. So we already written rupees head top, so no need to write again here. And selling price. So what is the formula when cost price and selling price is given? formula to find selling price when cost price and loss is given. So cost price and loss is given. Formula is selling price equal cost price minus loss. You have to learn all formula, then and only it will become easy, children. So what is the cost price? Cost price is 320. 320 minus 18 is how much? 320 minus 18 is 308 rupees. 308. This is the answer. So answer is here. Selling price is 308 rupees. Selling price of a chair is 308. Next, third question. Mohan bought a house for rupees 5,75,000. Spend rupees 15,000. If any amount repair. So here if any amount spent for the purchase product. Brought product. If any amount is spent for purchase thing or product means we have to add that amount to the purchase amount. Then this is a purchase amount. Add this repair amount or overhead any charges. Then it becomes the cost price. Okay. And sold it for rupees 6,02,000. What is it? Is profit. So here cost price of a house or a purchase amount of a house. How much? 5,75,000. It is a purchase amount of a house. Then add repair. He spent 15,000 for repair. So if repair is 15,000 is added. Total 5,75,000 plus 15,000 is answer is 5,90,000. Add these two. So answer is after adding 5,90,000, that is cost price. New cost price. This is cost price 5,90,000. Now selling price. Selling price for profit is given. Sold it for 6 lakh. Selling price is given as. Selling price is 6,02,000. Selling price is given in the question, that is 6,02,000. What is profit? So therefore profit. What is the formula? Profit formula. Profit equal. Profit formula is to find the profit. When profit equal selling price minus cost price. Profit equal when selling price and cost price. So we have cost price, new one, that is 5,90,000. Selling price also given in the question, that is 6 lakh changes. Profit is formula to find the profit when selling price and cost price is given. Selling price minus cost price. Okay, because selling price is profit means selling price is greater than this amount. What is the amount? Selling price is 6,02,000 minus cost price is 5,90,000, not 5,75,000. Okay, we have to mention 5,90,000. 5,90,000. So how much? 6,22,000 minus 5,90,000 rupees. 12,000 is the answer. 12,000. So what is the profit? 12,000. This is a working note. Okay, profit is 12,000. This is a calculations. Okay, profit equals selling price minus cost price. 6,02,000 minus 5,90,000 means 12,000. Now fourth question. By selling a book for rupees 515, Gopal made a profit of rupees 23. Find the cost price of the book. So here selling of a book for rupees 550 means this is a selling price. So selling price of a book is rupees 515. It is given in the question. Gopal made a profit of rupees 23. Therefore profit. It is also given in the question 23. Okay. Now what we have to find? Now cost price. What is the formula? When selling price and profit is given, formula is cost price equal selling price minus profit. When selling price, to find the cost price, when selling price and profit are given, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So what is the selling price? 515 minus profit is 23. 515 minus 23 is 492. After subtraction, 492 rupees. So what is the amount here? Total is rupees 492 rupees. 492 rupees. Now fifth question. By selling a refrigerator for rupees 5,875, Mr. Thapa lost rupees 225 rupees. Find the price Mr. Thapa had paid for the refrigerator. So paid for the refrigerator means it is a purchase amount. Purchase amount. So selling price is given. Selling price is 5,000 change. Loss is 225. So what amount he paid for the refrigerator buying time? So it is a purchase amount or cost price we have to find. Purchase amount and cost price are one and the same. So selling price of a refrigerator is given in the question. Answer is 5,875 rupees. Okay. Mr. Thapa lost 225 rupees. So therefore loss is 225 rupees. Find the price of the Thapa had paid for the refrigerator, means purchase amount or cost price. So what is the formula to find purchase amount or cost price? When selling price and profit is given, loss is given, what is the formula to find cost price? So to find the cost price when selling price and loss is given, to find the cost price equal, formula is selling price plus loss. What is the selling price here? Selling price is how much? 5,875 plus loss is 225. So 5,875 plus 225, 6,100. After adding, amount is after addition, after adding these two, answer is 6,100 rupees. So what is the value here? 6,100 rupees. Cost price is 6,100 and selling price 5,875. Loss is 225. Now sixth question. A clock is bought for rupees 450. So clock is bought for means it is a purchase amount. Purchase amount is always cost price. And sold at a profit of rupees 35. This is a profit amount. After spending rupees 15 on repairs. So what we have to do with this 15 rupees? Any overhead charges or repair or maintenance we have to add to the purchase amount. Means that become the cost price. Okay. So 15 we have to add to the purchase amount. Cost price of a clock or a purchase price of a clock. How much? 450 rupees. Inside the column. 450 rupees. Plus repair. Plus additional charges on repair, how much? 15. 450 plus 15 is amount is 465 rupees. Okay, 465 rupees. 465 rupees. So cost price of a clock is 450 plus repair is 15. So it may be a second hand clock. 465 rupees. And profit. So what is the profit? Rupees 35. It is given in the question. Profit is 35. We have to find the selling price. So the selling price formula, when cost price and profit is given, then selling price formula is, what is the formula? To find the selling price when cost price and profit is given means CP minus CP plus profit. CP plus profit. Okay, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So what is the cost price? Cost price is given in the question. 450 is the answer. Cost price? No. We have to take 465. 465. Don't take 450 as a cost price. Repair amount or overhead or any expenses we have to add to the purchase amount or cost price. So totally 465 is a cost price, plus profit is 35. Therefore selling price equal 465 plus 35 is rupees 500. Answer is rupees 500. So here 500 rupees. This is the answer, children.